New cameras come out every season, and those new to the industry or looking for a new experience are naturally torn between one camera or the other. In this video, no matter who you are, whether you're a professional, a beginner, or a veteran, we'll talk about which Nikon camera you should buy in 2024 in the lower, mid, and upper segments. Before we get to the video, if you are thinking about buying a new camera in 2024, we highly recommend you subscribe to Photomica and turn on the notification bell. Grab your favorite beverage and sit back, ready to get started. First up, we have the Nikon Z8, affectionately dubbed as the Baby Z9 by Nikon themselves. With a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, this camera has an impressive feature set, including 8K video recording capabilities and extremely fast continuous shooting at 120 FPS. With a robust autofocus system that recognizes a myriad of subjects, including humans, animals, and vehicles, the Z8 is a versatile powerhouse suited for various photographic endeavors. In terms of price and features, this camera is a bit more professional or for people who will be doing this for a long time. But if you have the budget, this is one of the cameras that should be at the top of your options. It was released in May 2023, so it's a very new camera. The current market price is around $3,500 to $4,000. It's worth noting that you can check the current prices of all the cameras mentioned in this video at the links in the video description. Next on our list is the Nikon ZF, a modern digital camera with a vintage twist. Boasting a 25 megapixels full-frame sensor and Nikon's X-Speed 7 processor, the ZF delivers exceptional autofocus performance and solid 4K video capabilities. Its retro design pays homage to classic film cameras, evoking a sense of nostalgia for enthusiasts. However, its minimal grip may pose a comfort issue during prolonged use, and the limited availability of vintage-style lenses for the Z-mount might deter some users. Nevertheless, the ZF's build quality and aesthetics make it a compelling choice for those craving a blend of old-school charm and modern functionality. Just like the Z8, it was released in 2023, so it is a new camera. The average price tag is around $2,000 for just the body without lens. I will say again about the price, some days we can see the prices drop or increase, so if you want to see the current price, you can check the description. Moving along, we have the Nikon Z7 II, a flagship full-frame mirrorless camera that strikes a balance between resolution and performance. While it may not match the blazing speed of the Z9, the Z7 II excels in high-resolution imaging and boasts dual memory card slots for added versatility. With Nikon's renowned in-body stabilization system and a growing lineup of pro-spec lenses, the Z7 II proves to be a reliable workhorse for professionals seeking quality without compromise. The Z8 and ZF are 3 years newer than this camera, but this camera is not old. Released in 2020, the current only body price of this camera is around $2,200. I would also like to add here that the third version of this camera, the Z7 Mark III, is among the Nikon cameras that have the potential to be released in 2024. So in short, if you are not in a hurry, you can take advantage of this opportunity. We even made a video where we talked about the potential of the Z7 III. You can take a look at it after this video if you wish. Let's talk about the Nikon ZFC, a camera that combines style with substance. With its 20.9 megapixel DX CMOS sensor and sophisticated processor, the ZFC is aimed at both beginners and mid-range users. Despite its slightly lower price compared to its peers, it is loved by many for its retro-inspired design. Despite its appeal, the ZFC could benefit from a wider range of native DX format lenses. Still, if you're looking for a camera with a retro design and don't want to spend too much, the ZFC could be a very good choice for you. It was released in 2021 and can still be considered a new camera. Only the body price ranges from $900 to $1,000. However, if you buy this camera, we recommend you to get it with the FTZ mount lens bundle. Now for the rest of the video, we've shown almost all the best Nikon cameras except one. As you might have guessed, it's the Z9, Nikon's top-of-the-line flagship for close to 3 years now. With groundbreaking features like 120 FPS burst shooting and deep learning autofocus, the Z9 is a camera that's making a name for itself in professional photography. Recent firmware updates have further enhanced its capabilities, including the addition of 8K video and advanced subject tracking. Whether you're shooting sports, wildlife, or portraits, the Z9 delivers top performance and reliability. It launched in late 2021 and has been a favorite of professional photography ever since. The single camera price without lens is currently around $5,500. If you're in it for the long run and have the budget, the Z9 is one of the names waiting for you. Last but certainly not least, we have the Nikon D850, a stalwart DSLR that continues to impress with its unmatched versatility and ruggedness. While mirrorless cameras may dominate the market, the D850 holds its own with a 45.7 megapixel sensor and blazing fast shooting speeds. Its ergonomic design and robust build make it a favorite among professionals who demand precision and durability. With exceptional battery life and dual memory card slots, the D850 is ready to tackle any photographic challenge with ease. Yes, this camera is older than all the other cameras in the video. In 2017, it made its debut and has remained a favorite ever since. Right now, if you look through the link in the description, there are many different lens combinations and discounts available. Of course, prices may change during the preparation of this video, whether it is this camera or the other cameras in the video. So you can either enter and look manually yourself or go directly from the links in the description. Finally, I would like to add a camera, or rather several cameras, as a bonus to this video. As you know, on this channel we share with you new and old cameras as well as cameras that have the potential to be released in the future. Potential Nikon cameras in 2024, Nikon Z6 Mark III, Z90, Z9H are just some of them. If you need a camera right now, you can choose from the Nikon cameras mentioned in the video. However, if you are not in a hurry and can allocate a good budget for this sector, we recommend you to wait at least until after the 2024 Summer Olympics. Nikon, like many other brands, will bring very good innovations before this event. In fact, this video is aimed more at Nikon users or those who want to buy a Nikon camera. But we should add that Nikon is already one of the top brands in the camera industry. Before ending the video, we would like to say that if you are planning to buy a camera in 2024, we strongly recommend you to subscribe to Photomica. As we mentioned 2-3 times in the video, you can find the current prices of cameras below. If you have watched the video so far, I want to say, don't forget to press the like button below. Let us know in the comments if you have any concept suggestions for the next video. That's it for this video. Take care until the next video.